Using AI tools usually means jumping between different platforms and paying for each one separately. But ChatGPT Teams has rolled out amazing features that bring everything together. Powerful models, custom chatbots, and even the ability to turn PDFs into interactive tools, all in one simple place. ChatGPT Teams is a platform that combines everything you need from AI into one streamlined system, with no gimmicks or false promises, just tools that actually work. It's the kind of platform you don't just use, you depend on. With access to cutting-edge models like GPT-4, Claude Sonet 3.5, Gemini, Llama 3, and Abaca Smog, it's all about providing flexibility and power without making things overwhelming. The days of managing multiple subscriptions are over because ChatGPT Teams offers everything you need for just $10 a month, less than the cost of a single premium model elsewhere. A standout feature is its access to various LLMs, each excelling in specific areas. Claude Sonet 3.5 generates text that feels natural and polished, while Gemini and GPT-4 seamlessly handle multimodal tasks like image analysis, integrating visuals effortlessly. Llama 3, optimized for speed and efficiency, is ideal for heavy data processing tasks. Meanwhile, Smog, an open-source powerhouse, stands out with innovative fine-tuning techniques that boost coding and reasoning capabilities. This combination of specialized models makes ChatGPT Teams incredibly versatile, ensuring you have the right tool for every task without overwhelming complexity. Whether for text generation, image analysis, or data crunching, this platform offers unmatched value and efficiency. ChatGPT Teams offers unparalleled versatility, making it feel more like a complete toolbox than just another AI tool. One of its standout features is the ability to chat with PDFs. Instead of wading through lengthy, dense documents, you can upload them and quickly receive actionable insights or even interactive graph representations. This innovative feature isn't just convenient, it's transformative for anyone dealing with complex data or research materials. Another game-changing capability is the built-in code interpreter, which enables users to execute code directly on the platform. Whether you're writing scripts, debugging, or running live tests, everything happens seamlessly, saving hours, sometimes even days, of work. This makes the platform a powerhouse for developers and data analysts alike. The AI Engineer feature further elevates the platform by allowing users to create custom chatbots and AI agents effortlessly. No advanced technical knowledge is required. Just describe what you need, and the system delivers. Whether it's a customer support bot, a scheduling assistant, or a more advanced AI, the process is intuitive and straightforward. These features combined make ChatGPT Teams an indispensable tool for professionals, streamlining workflows and delivering unmatched efficiency across various tasks. ChatGPT Teams introduces powerful features that make it a truly versatile platform for users of all skill levels. The Artifacts feature stands out by enabling you to build projects like websites, apps, or even dynamic dashboards with just a few prompts. This feature eliminates the intimidation factor, especially for users without technical expertise, making complex tasks accessible and straightforward. Another impressive tool is the Humanize feature, which refines the tone of your text to suit your needs. Whether you're writing something formal, lighthearted, or empathetic, it adjusts naturally and deliberately, avoiding a robotic or forced feel. This attention to detail highlights ChatGPT Teams' focus on practical, user-friendly AI tools that work the way you need them to. The subscription model is another strength, designed to be simple and affordable. For just $10 a month, you get access to all features with no hidden fees or complicated tiers. The first month is free, and there's a minimum 2-month commitment. Teams can invite unlimited users, and billing adjusts automatically, ensuring predictable costs whether you're working solo or managing a team. In a market full of hidden charges, ChatGPT Teams offers a refreshingly transparent and value-packed solution for all your AI needs. The backbone of ChatGPT Teams lies in Abacus AI, the creators behind the platform, known for their remarkable contributions to open-source AI. Their innovations include the Streamline, which significantly enhances coding and reasoning abilities in models like Llama 3.1 and Qwen 702b. These aren't minor updates, they are major leaps forward, validated by benchmarks like Live Code Bench, where DRAS demonstrated impressive gains in coding execution and test prediction accuracy. The Smog series is another standout, with Smog 72b leading the Hugging Face Open LLM leaderboard, achieving an accuracy of 80.48%, outpacing its closest competitor by nearly 2%. This success is attributed to their novel fine-tuning method, Direct Preference Optimization Positive, DPOP, which ensures reliability and effectiveness by penalizing reductions in positive outcome likelihood. Smog is more than just an AI, it's a benchmark setter, delivering consistent performance across diverse tasks. Another notable contribution is Giraffe, built on Llama 2, capable of handling a 32,000 token context length. This capability is crucial for long-form analysis, sustained conversational AI, and enterprise-level applications requiring extended context retention. These advancements make ChatGPT Teams a game-changer, especially for businesses managing large data sets or complex workflows, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. ChatGPT Teams stands out for its seamless integration with enterprise tools, making it highly practical for businesses. You can link it to platforms like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, enabling smooth collaboration across your team. Imagine setting up a chatbot that accesses data from your internal systems and interacts with your team in real time. This isn't just about creating something innovative, it's about solving real problems efficiently and effectively. The platform also places a strong emphasis on user data security. All data is encrypted and never used for training purposes, adhering to enterprise compliance standards like SOC 2, Type 2, and HIPAA. In a time when privacy concerns are everywhere, ChatGPT Teams' transparency and commitment to data protection build trust among users. Another game-changing feature is the computer agent, which automates complex tasks like booking flights or analyzing YouTube stats in real time. It's not just about automating mundane processes, but doing so with precision and keeping the user in control. Instead of handing over tasks to a black box system, users collaborate with a reliable assistant, saving time and effort. For those who care about benchmarks, Abacus AI LiveBench AI sets new standards in evaluating models. Collaborating with industry leaders like Yan Lun, they've developed a future-proof evaluation system to avoid contamination from outdated datasets. This ensures the models are not only efficient, but also verifiably better, excelling in math, coding, and reasoning challenges. On the technical side, the platform uses cutting-edge datasets. For example, the system chat dataset enhances long-form, multi-term conversations while strictly adhering to prompts. Another innovation, WikiQA, tests models on altered Wikipedia data with numerical answers, ensuring accurate context-based responses instead of repeated information. These features make ChatGPT Teams a robust and practical tool for tackling real-world challenges. ChatGPT Teams is designed to be reliable, adaptable, and purposeful, ensuring every feature serves a clear need. From the humanize option to analyzing PDFs or building apps, nothing feels unnecessary or added just to pad the feature list. Even the subscription model reflects this no-nonsense approach. $10 per month gives you access to everything, with no hidden fees, pro tiers, or extra charges. It's simple, transparent, and accessible, offering exceptional value. This platform isn't just for developers or tech-savvy users. It's built for anyone looking to get things done efficiently. Whether you're creating content, analyzing data, or automating workflows, ChatGPT Teams streamlines the process. You can use it to build a quiz app with Gemini, generate images with DALL-E, or set up a chatbot to manage customer queries, all in one place. The ability to switch between models like Claude S for natural language tasks, Llama 3 for speed, or Smog for heavy-duty coding and reasoning makes it uniquely flexible. You're not limited to one model's strengths, but can leverage the best tool for every task. What sets ChatGPT Teams apart is that it delivers on its promises. It's a platform that evolves alongside you, anticipating your needs and offering solutions that exceed expectations. Whether you're a professional, a student, or part of a team, ChatGPT Teams provides a toolbox that's affordable, powerful, and versatile. It's backed by a company genuinely pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, making it a platform you can trust to get work done faster and better. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates.